Hi everyone, happy new year, and it's so nice to be back. And I miss you guys. I've been absent for a couple of weeks, and even then I read your emails, I read your comments and responded to them as soon as I can. So today's video, I will not talk about lessons for now. I will be publishing another video for the first lesson for this year, but in this video I will be talking about the blog site for the Cebuano101.blogspot.com. Okay, so if you are learning the Cebuano language, this video is for you, but if you are here for my recipe, you may stop right now. Okay, all right, so I'm just gonna talk about the blog site update that I just did a few days ago. So I've been working on this one, sleeping late at night just to really update this one. Preparing, maintaining your website, improving the website really takes a lot of time and effort and energy, I would say. Okay, so in the website, if you're a frequent visitor of Cebuano101 site, you would see the difference now. Okay, so I have done some improvements. You can see a new tab there, PDF files. Once you click the PDF files, you are required to sign in. That means you are required to subscribe to my channel, to my subscription. It's a subscription basically. You just input your email and then you will have access to all PDF lessons with it's actually a table. Okay, it's another page with a table wherein you can find the topic, the downloadable PDF lesson link, and the YouTube link. Once you sign in, you have access to all of that for free. Okay, everything here that I do in Cebuano101 are all for free. Okay, so the site has a long way to go to be user friendly. So I have a lot of future plans, like the audio files. I wanted to put MP3 files here wherein you can download it as well if you want, and at the same time if you want to listen to a BGM, which is suggested by one of subscriber, Mr. Okayoshi, if I'm not mistaken. So it's a good thing also to add it to my YouTube playlist, wherein you can listen to that until you fall asleep. Hopefully I'll be able to give you a good audio files. So those are my plans. And then the updates at the sidebar, you can see a donate box there. Okay, so I just want to expound on this one, why I put a donate box there. It's not just merely because I wanted to collect money, no, but because I want you guys to know that since this is a free website, this is just out of your generosity. You are not imposed, or I am not forcing you guys to donate, but I just wanted to let you know that maintaining a website and improving the website really needs a lot of time, energy, effort, and money. I would say money, because I've been in the blogging world for almost, I think, 7 years, and in order to move forward, a blogger or a YouTuber has to invest in something for the blog. Okay, it could be a camera, it could be a new website. So for this one, for the site, I wanted to migrate from Blogspot to WordPress, but by doing so, it will give me expenses, and that could be monthly and yearly, could be. So I have to buy a domain name, I have to subscribe to a hosting company. By donating, okay, by donating, you are actually helping me shoulder some of the expenses. It could not be monthly, but maybe for the migration side to WordPress, because WordPress is really powerful, where I can do a lot of things and make the website more user-friendly. Okay, this will not just benefit me, actually it's not just for me, it's for everyone who wanted to learn the website. who wanted to learn the Cebuano dialect. Sorry, he wanted to learn the Cebuano dialect. So, yeah. Okay, enough for the donation box. If you feel generous and you wanted to, if you have extra money and you wanted to help me maintain and improve the site, I will save all the money, and hopefully this year or maybe next year, hopefully a lot of improvements for this site. So that's the purpose of the donation box there. Okay, so and then just below that there is this sign in box, and so it says here sign in and access our PDF lesson notes. Okay, it's just the same once you click the PDF files tab. Okay, so you're just gonna sign in and then just follow the instructions. Just very quick process. Okay, so and then I still have the announcement box. That announcement box, I usually update that every week if ever I am creating a lesson and I will be late publishing them. It could be a reason or internet reason, it could be a technical reason, so I am putting my announcement there if I will be late publishing it. So usually the Bisaya word of the week is every Wednesday or Thursday Philippine time. So if I have technical problems, if I have internet connection problems, usually I cannot publish this publish the lessons every Thursday, but usually I'm trying to make it publish it every Wednesday Philippine time, anytime during the day. Okay, and just below that we have the Philippine products. I also put Philippine products that you might like. I am an affiliate of Lazada Philippines. It's one of the biggest online shop here in the Philippines. If you want to buy something and send it to your loved one, you can do that by going to lazada.com.ph. I'll be putting my Lazada affiliate there. So by being a Lazada affiliate, once you purchase something, once you purchase something successfully there, I will receive a small amount of commission from your sale. Okay, the price there is as is. Okay, what you see is that's how much you pay. You don't pay for my commission. It's actually the Lazada will be the one to pay for my commission for your purchase. Okay, all right, so I think that's it. That's all for the updates and my future plans for this site, because I've never really thought about this site because I've been also focused with the Pursuit of Functional Home website. Okay, so I have basically three websites that I'm doing right now. So we have the pursuitoffunctionalhome.com, the Cebuano101.blogspot.com, and my YouTube channel. So it's a lot of work, but I am working during my free time. So I would just like to say thank you guys for all your support from the previous year. I was able to hit 3,000 subscribers. I think I earned about 1,000 subscribers last year. Yeah, last year, more than 1,000 subscribers, and I received a ton of comments, and it was a fun moment where it's a fun activity for me to respond to your comments as soon as I can. And there was even a lot of times where we chatted in the comments like almost real time. Okay, so it's fun for me, and I hope it's fun for you guys. So yeah, that's all for today. So watch out for my lesson, and I received a question from my subscriber, so you will know him in my next video lesson. Okay, bye bye for now.